Next, we will learn about Filter Tool. I will drag and drop Filter Tool icon from the Preparation toolbar and place it near the data cleansing tool that carries MSRP data. On your left configuration pane, the Filter Tool offers either Basic or Custom option. And as the tool name itself explains, the Filter Tool allows you to set a specific condition and filters only the matching data to pass through and flow out to the T node, which stands for true. And the rest of the data that does not meet the condition will be left in false node. If you select the first option, the basic filter option, the column headers from the incoming data are listed in the first drop-down cell. Then, in the second drop-down cell, you can select your filter condition. And finally, in the third box, you can enter the value or text that you want to target in conjunction with the filter condition you selected earlier. For example, the current incoming data includes car brand and model information. So if you want to see only the Tesla brand records, for example, you can use the filter toolbox by selecting brand and equal and type in Tesla. And I'll hit run. And if you click the T node, you will see the output from the filter tools on T node is left only with the Tesla brand records. If you select custom filter option, you can set your filter condition by entering the formula yourself into the expression box that you see right below. And there are 4 small icons on the left side of the expression box. Clicking on the FX button, function icon, this will list out all the formulas available in Designer. And if you hover over and stay on your one formula with your mouse, a brief description about the formula will appear. If you select X icon, the existing column category will list out all the column headers brought from the current data schema. It is the same list of choices you saw from the first drop-down cell from the basic filter option. The constants category, it will list out the metadata as variables that you can choose. In addition, there is an icon that looks like a folder and floppy disk. And from here, you can save your frequently used formula with Save button, and then go to the folder icon, Save Expression. From here, you can access them quickly. Currently, I don't have any saved formula, so it is empty. I will cover more details about this expression box when I will be lecturing on Formula Tool later. And that's all for learning about the filter tool. Please complete the assignments according to the instructions at the bottom of the filter box